Hi, I'm Dee and welcome to my channel, Deelovelylife.
Encouraging others with hope and positivity as a family caregiver to my mom, aka Queen G, and as a full-time stay-at-home homemaker. A variety of videos sharing caregiving tips, cooking, gardening, decluttering, cleaning, hauls, meal planning, always in my planner, chatting, and sometimes a burst of laughs.
No, I'm just kidding.
Let's face it, things happen in life, so why not make it lovely?
I'm finally getting rid of these bookcases, that one, and then that one there, because I got that.
Okay, first of all, yes, this is embarrassing. It does look as bad as it appears. Those bookcases obviously has been not moved in a really long time. My bad. Makes me want to move and clean the floors underneath the refrigerator and stove, but not in this video. Hey, look, I think this can count as a spring clean video on my Tiny Tidy Tuesday. I figured these two tiny areas were perfect for a Tiny Tidy Tuesday today. Have you used these Scrub Daddy sponges yet? Are they working for you? I bought it at CVS hoping to clean out our oven, not the floors, D, but thought I would give it a try regardless, especially to see what all the hype was about.
Alright, now we're gonna try the Fabuloso and see if that works. But this time, we're busting out with the big guns.
This Tiny Tidy Tuesday is a part of an open collaboration hosted by my dear friend Sunday Dawn at the Health Home, who shares a weekly playlist of our team Tiny Tidy, as well as some weekly guests. You'll want to check out the playlist as our Tiny Tidy team has grown. A lot of new channels to check out and a lot of Tiny Tidy motivation for you. My husband Jay came home from work and immediately began to help. I think he was more curious if our floor scrubber would make a big difference. He kind of laughed at the Scrub Daddy sponge idea. So, of course, I stepped back as he operated the machine. What is it with men and their machines? I mean, if he wants to scrub the floor, who am I to say no, right? Oh, on a side note, if you are into decluttering videos, don't miss watching my latest video decluttering these two large bookcases that once stood in these two spots we're cleaning right now. Then you'll really understand how this all came about. I have family arriving in a few days and I didn't want these areas to look so awful. Funny how we get our homes all cleaned up for the house guests in a minute, right?
Wow, that actually did much better than the Scrub Daddy. getting there. Oh, that looks way better now. What we did was, I figured, why not try to use the Clorox with bleach toilet cleaner. Put some on around the edges where the bookcases were. The stains right there, and just let it sit for a while. And it started to come up soon as Jay started to do with the scrubber. So yeah, like Jay says, I mean, obviously we need to get more floors. I think, when did you guys put this flooring in? 72?
No.
Oh.
It was after, it was in the 80s.
Okay, so this is from the 80s. I remember his mom, when she came to visit, she's like, I'm really surprised this floor looks good as it does, since it's been installed in the 80s. But of course, we need new floors. Since we got done with the outside renovation, that's, you know, now we're gonna start talking about the interior renovation, one thing at a time. But yeah, that looks way better. I have the fan going now so that it can help dry that up.